Yo, guys, I'm at my great grandma's house. Um, I'm gonna be shaking this. I'm all the way at the back. Like it looks like a field. No, it is a field. It's a field. Um, and yeah, I'm gonna be shaking this soda up and see what happens. The root here. So, my. Yo. If I get 5,000 likes, which I probably won't, I'll put my face when I do this. I'll put my face on it. If I get 5,000 likes. 3, 2, 1. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh, I hope I caught that on camera, dude. I hope I caught that. Yo, that was crazy. Okay, that was very wet. Now I'm gonna get sticky everywhere. I have to go back to the house quick. I hope I caught that on camera. Next time I'll do like when it's full and open it up and it's gonna blast everywhere. If I get 5K likes, and I'll put my face over it. That's gonna be crazy, bro. I hope I caught that on camera. Peace.